Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Design and Construction. After a long time, I've come up with one very important topic, and it's one topic, but it's very interesting, and I think it's about the construction. So my today's topic is GRN. So what is GRN? How many of you know about GRN? What is GRN? So GRN, we all have come across on our sites or on our company. So GRN is nothing but it's a good receipt notes. So sometimes what I mean, uh, when you send some materials on sites, or maybe it may be from your head office or it may be from the supplier, then you have to check the delivery. Actually, we check the delivery receipts and when we tally with the suppliers receipts and whatever the metals are arrived on the site. So we do cross check whether the supplier is supposed to send the 200 bags, whether there is 200 bags or not, or whether there is any damage or not. So because it's the risk, those who are working on a site, it may be site engineers, project manager, or maybe the storekeeper, because your responsibility to cross check if suppose the company sent 200 bags of cement, which was supposed to be in good condition, but you did not check with the supplier or the vendors who came, or maybe the truckman, or maybe someone who came over your site, and you just simply kept it because on actual habit. Sometimes we ignore that problem, but what happens when we do not check it as precisely, then there may be the damage or there may be some kinds of theft, so you might have not counted. So the problem is you have to check whether the set, the number of bags of cement was stored to dealer on site, whether it is in good condition or not, whether there is any chance or whether it is or in bad condition. We have to check. So for that we have to prepare one sheets and we have to fill up that. So whether we have received a said amount of a number of items, whatever was prescribed or whatever was supposed to deliver on the site. So let's get into the I prepare a format and I'll explain there. So this is the simple format we have to prepare whenever there is a supplier or head office send materials on site. So this thing is prepare one document, so prepare source sheet. Like this is a GR nothing but it's a good receipt mode, because you are taking the receipt of whatever someone came with delivery van or trucks. Then you have to tally, like suppose it is mentioned here 200 bags of cement. So suppose a truck man came with 200 bags of cement, and as it was already mentioned that 200 bags of cement are going to a site. Then that's okay. We received 200 bags. Now, how was the condition? Whether the 200 bags was good conditions or not? There was not any loss or not, or whether there was missing or not. So we have to write in the quantity received column. So actually quantity order, we ordered 200. Yes, we received on sites 200. But what was the quantity was acceptable quantity? 200, all 200 was in good conditions, or there was any damage or something like that. Quantity accepted. How many quantity you accepted? Actually, it was usable on your site. It was in good condition. Suppose it was 198. Quantity rejected 2 ton bags, because there was ton bags. There were damaged, so we rejected 2 bags of cement. So in remarks we can write accepted with remarks. Then you can send it to your head office. Similarly, TMT's steel bars. We're supposed to receive 12 dia parts. That's okay. We received CMT. We received in 10 metric tons. And quantity, suppose there was mentioned 10 metric tons, and we received on site 10.2 metric tons as we waited, or there will be some measuring device or something like that way we clear that we received 10.2 metric ton. So quantity accepted. How much quantity accepted? Did you expected whole quantity, or you rejected as case in the bags of cement? So we accepted 10.2. So quantity rejected, we did not reject any quantity. So extra receipts, we received some extra. Similarly, sand poles, it was supposed to deliver 50 cubic meters and quantity we received 48 cubic. It was supposed to be of 50 cubic meters, but we received only 48 cubic meters. So accepted quantity is 48 quantity because we received only 48 quantity, 48 cubic meter of sand. So that is 48 we rejected. We did not reject any quantity. So there was a sort of 2 cubic meter. Similarly, you can also write or whatever the delivery items are supposed to be on your side. So suppose we apply board, right? Should be suppose it should be in numbers. Counted quantity we ordered was 45 numbers, but actually we received on site 43, right? So you can write 43 quantity accepted because we received only 43, so we accepted 43. We did not reject any, right? So similarly, sort by how many we were supposed to receive 45, but we got only 43. So sort by two numbers. So in this way, if you maintain your site delivery reports or site delivery quantity, then it will be beneficial for you to make a decisions, or you can report it to your head office, and there is the transparency because suppose a company got the receipt like bill of 200 bags, but on site you received only 198, then there is loss of 2. So in this case, what happens? The company head office, whoever responsible for it, maybe project manager or project director, if they are not available on site, they will suspect that you might have sold 2 bags, or you might be doing some kinds of such things on sites, that you are manipulating the records or you are selling something on sites. So it will have a bad impact on the storekeeper, it may be for the site engine. So the good thing is, whenever it comes, just make sure that you make a record of all the items which you visit on sites, and do check by site engineer, verified by storekeeper, and if a project manager is available on site, then make sure that you will sign also. Then you will be on a safe side. So this part is very important for a storekeeper, those who are storing, those who are keeping the materials delivered on site, and also for the site engineer, because we all have to go through that, because in case something happened on site, then the site engineer is still responsible, because you might have sell those materials and you are telling that we received only this quantity. So better to keep record in such a way that, and make approval on yourself and send it to the head office. So this is the way you can prepare GRN. There's nothing called receipt note. So you can write GRN number. Whenever the site comes, you maintain the numbers. Then date you received, or date and the purchase order numbers. You might have a purchase order number because you have provided a purchase order to the supplier. So write purchase order number, supplier name, who came, which supplier vans came on your sites to deliver the materials, then site or project name, received by, who received this, that may be a storekeeper or a site engineer, whoever is on the sites available to receive those materials, received by. And then make sure you checked, also make there must be the witness now. So they will act as a witness, project manager, site engineer, if it is the case, so everybody is informed. So I think this is the best way to prepare GRN, and make sure that you all who are working on the sites, please do maintain such things. It is very valuable and it is very transparent to everyone, right? So it will give you the idea of the how much quantity has been received on the sites. So I hope you like my videos and you like this content. So if you have any doubt, or if you want to learn anything related about site engineering in a documentation, project management documentation, then please you can message me. And if you need this one, this format, then please do message me or to comments below. I'll definitely provide you this format. So thank you for now, and keep watching my videos, and please do like, share and subscribe, and hope you all guys might be doing well. Thank you very much for watching my videos.